electronegativity. Electronegativity means there is a tendency of an electron, tendency of attracting an electron. Here there is no, it is a practical observation. Here there is no reasons. Here it is this order given based on Pauling scale. So there is no proper reason for this one. Based on Pauling scale, we are following this electronegativity order. And next general characteristic is density of this one. So how can we study this density? What is density? Means density is equal to mass by volume. Here, due to this force shielding effect, there is no here to here. There is a, what is that? Here to here, increasing in the size and again increasing in the size. Here also there is increasing the size, but it's not a appreciable. It's not that much observable size. So when you are coming to the density, mass also required, volume also required. Volume is here. I am talking about the size. Here. Definitely there is a increasing in the size, but it is not that much appreciable. It is not that much observable. So that, but whenever you are talking about the mass is going to increase, because here boron to aluminum to gallium to indium to thallium. Atomic number increases, obviously atomic mass also increases. Here density depends on mass. Mass is in the numerator, mass is going to increases, so that density also increases down the group. Atomic number increases, atomic mass increases. Mass is a major factor to determine the density, so that density increases down the group over. Then we are going to talk about melting point. Melting point order here: boron greater than aluminum, greater than thallium, greater than indium and gallium. Here melting point means the temperature at which that solid is going to converting into liquid, so that the solid particles are moving away from each other. When they are moving away from each other, it is going to converting into liquid. The temperature at which the solid particles are converting into liquid, that is a melting point. If in that liquid, that particles are moving very far from each other, means it is converting into gas. Liquid converting into gas means that is called as boiling point. Now I am talking about melting point here. It is boron greater than aluminum greater than thallium greater than indium greater than gallium. It is also given based on the crystal structures. What is that? The crystal structures. In this 12th only we are going to talk about solid state. When we are talking about the solid state, we are going to study 7 crystal systems. In that 7 crystals, each boron also having one crystal system, aluminum, thallium, indium, gallium, everything having its crystal system. Crystal system is in a 3-dimensional space, how the boron particles are arranged to form one boron block. Aluminum particles are arranging in a 3-dimensional way to form an aluminum black. Thallium particles are arranging in a 3-dimensional way to form the thallium black. That black means that solid format. That solid format in a particular crystal structure. The crystal structure, how tightly it is packing, that will decide how much energy required to convert it into liquid. That will decide the melting point. That is why that this order, B is greater than aluminum greater than thallium greater than indium greater than gallium, it is based on the crystal structure. And next one will be boiling point. Boiling point here is in normal order. Boron is greater than aluminum, gallium, indium and thallium. But generally here there are 2 concepts. In some other groups we are increasing the size. Whenever the size increases, there will be a increase in the surface area. Whenever surface area increases, there is a increase in the van der Waals interaction. Whenever van der Waals interaction is there, whenever van der Waals interactions are there, more energy required to separate them. This is one concept. But here in this 13th group elements, this order can be justified by the intermolecular attractions. It is justified by intermolecular forces. intermolecular forces. Whenever this boron is a small size. Whenever size is small, all the particles are near. In this much volume, whenever the particle is small, in a particular volume, many particles can be arranged. So that when you are going to convert from liquid to gas, that particles which are existing very near, you have to maintain them separate. So that you have to give more temperature. That temperature is called as, when the size is very small, they are existing very near. So that when the atoms are very near, there will be attraction between the atoms. That is nothing but intermolecular force of attraction due to the small size of the boron. Due to the small size of the boron, whenever particles are very small, they can exist very near in a particular volume. Whenever they are existing very near, there will be intermolecular force of attraction. Whenever intermolecular force of attraction is there, you have to give more energy to separate them. Meaning is, you have to convert it into gas by giving a more amount of energy due to this. What is that? Due to this intermolecular forces. That is why this order we are going to follow. That is why this order we are going to